Ayan, okay. Next, bring me. So, Jollibee says, bring me, Jollibee. Meron na tayo kaninang bigger shoes, longer belt. Ayan, so, Jollibee ko magdadala sa amin ng item. Okay, so, Jollibee says, bring me. Ano, Jollibee? Ayan, nag-iisip si Jollibee. Bring me the invitation card! Go!
Wala.
True that, Jollibee. Okay. Okay, so next thing is, so Jollibee says, bring me, Jollibee. Wala sa mga mukha nilang wala nito. So Jollibee says, bring me the ATM card. Go. ATM card, I need more. Okay, sige pa call. Ayan, ATM card, nilabas at side credit card. Okay, so, meron pa isa. Ayun. Okay, kaya Jollibee. Paano ba natin ma-identify kung may mga laman ng mga to, Jollibee? Yan yung gasgas na yata binibili ni Jollibee. Kaka-withdraw. Okay, eto. Kay Nina to. Kay Max, Claudine. Ayun. Okay, mamalahi ba naman to? Point na lang. Okay, so bigyan natin ng prize. And syempre, yung dalawang nagdala ng ATM card, bibigyan natin ng consolation prize. Kay
Jollibee, oh.
kay Chef yung isa, at saka kay Anita, kay Tani.
Hi. Wow.
Okay, ito yung consolation prize na kay Alvin.